Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this cursed Labubu on Dress to Impress. I can't seem to get it like perfect, so this is what we will be working with. It looks funny, but it's fun to make. So for the skin color, I just use this color over here. It is the EEB093. Then for the Labubu head, I used this hair. Oh my gosh, it's even more cursed when I zoom in. And I colored it the color I want my Labubu fur to be. The adjustments for this are position Y at 0.59, Z 0.28, rotate X at 0.9, and scale it to 0.8. For the face, I use this in the same color as the skin. I use this beanie in position Y at 0.41, Z at 0.61, rotate X at 0, scale it to 1. Then for the ears, I use the Easter one that is here. This one. Position Y at 0.51, rotate it at 0, and I didn't rotate it, I meant, and then scale it to 1. Then for the eyes, I use these earmuffs. I use these in position Y 0.62, Z 0.08, X at 1, and scaled it to 0.05. And for the other color of the eye, I use this one in the color white, and then the second one brown. You can use any color for the eyes for this one as well. For the accessory adjustment, position Y at 0.62, Z 0.11, X at 1. For the rotation, and scaled it to 0.35. For the mouth, I used these. I used a sleeping mask, and then color the first color the skin tone, and then the second one white. For the positioning, I did Y at 0.54, Z at 0.23, rotation I did X at 0, and scaled it to 0.64. Then for the nose, I used a microphone. I just did the same color as well, positioned it at X 0.74, Y at 0.74, Z at 0.23, rotate it at Y at 1, and scale it to 1. For the eyebrows, I use these like up here, like out here, in the same color as the fur. And I did position Y at 0.53, Z at 0.08, rotation X at 0.78, and scaled it at 0.26. For the rest, I just used a lot of fur coats and layered them. Then I used this for like leg warmers as well. And then these jeans, you don't have to wear the coat I have, but you do need to layer on a lot more things there. But for like something easy, I just did use this one from VIP, but it's just a reminder you don't need VIP, like you can use something else. And from here, you can like change the colors to whatever like Labubu color you want. For instance, I don't know, like purple, like this blue color. I think they have a Labubu in that color. And then for the ears, let's do that as well. And then for the eyes, I'm gonna do that as well in blue. Maybe like a little bit darker. And then here for this outfit as well. Let's see. Then you can customize it to whatever color you want, and that is how you can make a Labubu on Dress to Impress. I'm sorry it's a little bit cursed. I tried my best, but I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!